I got a bird that whistles, I got a bird that sings, I got a bird that hears me confess almost everything. Sometimes it's sacred and sometimes it's cheap, but that's all between the nightingale and me. We got till morning, there's no hurry. Cockatoos at dawn arrive on an island breeze. I got a big heartbeat, mama, all yours for free, but that's all between the nightingale and me. Drown out the cuckoo for me, whistling in Japanese. I saw you on a Croatian coin from 1993. Heads is dub reggae, tails is Albert King. That's all between the nightingale and me. You'd muse on Shelley, Wordsworth and Keats. Even Billy Shakespeare wants to rattle your tree. And I know you just love to hear those romantics preen, but that's all between the nightingale and me. Jose Quivel, he died a soldier's death, squeezed a slice of lime into his dying breath. And if we're all just minor gods in some crude tragedy, that's all between the nightingale and me. I got a bird that whistles, I got a bird that sings, I got the feeling death might come and shake me free. I got a big heartbeat, mama, I got a plan to leave, but that's all between the nightingale and me. Undiagnosed and thriving maybe, sometimes I'm free, and that's all between the nightingale